Cool Whip, and chicken nuggies. Might be like sweet and sour chicken, might be like fridge.
What will it be? Tragic or tasty? Tragic or tasty? Tragic or tasty? Tragic, tasty. Let's see.
Alright, we're scooping momentarily. Whoa. Maybe a little more. We're dressing her. It looks like Trump. Happy birthday. I think it'll be decent. I don't think it'll be the worst thing ever. I'm confident. It smells pretty good. Yeah. I don't know. Swallowing, processing. Okay. Now that I've chewed, it is like sweet and sour chicken, but without the sour, obviously. It's just like a sweet flavor on a chicken. Like, it's fine, but it's better if it's sour. It's just the same. It's like a sugary topping. I would say that it was pretty good, considering. Not that I would eat it again, but like that's where many beloved dishes come from. Chickeny. Texturally didn't work that well, but it wasn't that bad either. If you're into that sort of thing. Tasty. Tasty. Tasty!